My name is Jailee Mendo. My major is Global Public Health Sociology on the pre-dental track. And right now I'm also minoring in childhood adolescent mental health studies. I'm a junior at CAS. I'm a mentor in the Academic Achievement Program. Born and raised in Brooklyn. For the majority of my life, I've been an only child, and then my brother was born. And he was different from any other person that I knew. He had autism. And he taught me a lot with his condition and just how the system is flawed in many ways. And I knew then that I wanted to make the world more accessible. I love NYU. It's been my dream school since like 5th grade.
So this space is where the organic chemistry lab is. And I go here every Friday from 9:30 to 2 o'clock. This is my space. The hoods are always put down, but once we start working on the lab, they're put up.
Actually, when I applied here, I was writing my essay on how I wanted to treat patients with special needs and mental health disabilities and stuff. I remember I followed a bunch of their Instagram pages, and literally the day after I submitted my essay, I saw that they even created a clinic that treats people with disabilities. And that's in the 23rd Street dental school. And I loved that. I was like, wow, this is really meant to be.
Okay, everyone, so this is both, and it's the main library on campus. And I usually go to the lower levels, or I go to the 6th floor because it has a view.
My mom and we were trying so hard to find many dental offices that actually treated patients with autism. The regular dentist down the block that we had didn't know how to take care of my brother. He threw temper tantrums and threw himself on the floor. It was a lot for him to handle, especially with like the different tools. They make like different noises. He has like sensory processing disorder as well. So marrying like the physical with the mental is kind of making sure, what can I do to innovate something that's different.
You can see NYU Academic Resource Center, aka the ARC. These are where the advisors are. These are where the University Learning Center tutors are. So it's a great space to study. We also have the writing across the curricula. So it's a writing center. And I know that sometimes I may not be the best at writing essays, so this is a great support in order to get like all my essay needs done. And now we're going to enter Kimball, and you'll see the study space that I usually am at.
If you make it here, you can make it anywhere. That's always been my phrase. If I could do this innovative change for everyone else to follow, that would be amazing, because I don't want it to just be me. I don't want another mother out there to look for dental offices and be like, oh my gosh, do you guys treat patients with disabilities, mental health disorders? And them saying, no, I want everyone to be accessible in that way. And I feel like that's where public health comes into play.